India beyond 2020 challenges and opportunities. I could never imagine that a country as big as India could ever be shut down for weeks. But it happened and it happened for all of us. A year ago, on March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization declared the COVID 19 outbreak a global pandemic. At that moment, most of us were not even familiar with the term pandemic, let alone being conscious of the consequences that followed. We were about to witness an event that was far beyond our wildest imaginations and would change the course of history. Soon, words like lockdown, social distancing, masks, sanitizers, corona, work from home, precautions, and positive became a part of our daily discourse. It is difficult to imagine that the traumatic experiences of the pandemic will be forgotten quickly or disappear entirely over time. The human losses alone will remain strong reminders of implications of change at the level of society and individuals. The new start after lockdown will certainly offer opportunities and carry risk for all. Our governance systems, in many ways, our democracies will continue to be at the heart of this journey. Usually, this is the time young students write entrance exams, consider which colleges to apply to in India, or make plans for studies abroad. But there's nothing usual about the times today. The COVID 19 pandemic has shocked the whole world. The pressure on students and higher education institutions are high. Schools and universities have been closed and exams postponed. Classrooms are going virtual, and admissions for the upcoming academic year are fraught with confusion. According to UNESCO, over 320 million students in Indian schools and colleges are currently impacted. The pandemic has pushed the whole world to drastically reinvent ways of coping with the new normal. After the initial phase of complete overhaul, it is critical to understand the short and long term impact and future measures. Can India emerge from this crisis with a refreshed perspective and boost to higher education? Online learning is here to stay. An immediate and effective response to the crisis was to go digital. Developing robust online platforms has become necessary to offer continuity in learning. Yet, in a developing country in India, with vast disparity in socio-economic backgrounds of students and the quality of educational institutions, the shift has not been so easy. The digital divide has been further widening the gap and needs urgent attention from both public and private sector players as the crisis continues. Good teachers, refreshed curricula, and effective tools will ensure students stay involved and active in the learning process. More Indian students will stay home in India. Lakhs of Indian students have increasingly chosen to pursue higher education abroad. As per reports, India is the second largest source of international students in the world. This usual exodus is likely to transform, at least in the immediate few years, to an influx into Indian institutions given travel restrictions and health risks. This means that crores of rupees and resources spent in foreign education could potentially be retained in the country as more students look towards options at home. While the international institutions might bear the brunt of the change, it is a remarkable opportunity for India to enhance its capacities and offer quality education at par with global standards. Yet, in times like this, hope is a powerful healer. Mankind stands united in its struggle against the COVID 19 pandemic, and life will surely triumph. Thank you and have a nice day.